Oh, final round guys ha. Puting Jinsan, Team Pacman versus Tata Dakmat from CDO. Oh, Super A versus Class A guys ha. Cagayan versus Jinsan. Maglalaban na. Daming tao sa... daming tao guys ha. Final round championship.
Headed by Mayor A.P. Uy. And of course, Vice Governor Ricardo Oyo Uy. To like the game, Congressman Alan Andrew Luhani of Second District. And of course, Tingog Party List. Salamat.
Ayan guys ha. Daming tao nanulo.
Pagbiga niya 19.
19 po ang laban nila guys ha. Final round ha. Final round. Daming vlogger oh. Ayun oh. Ito na ha. Tata Mata, Dakmat from CDU versus Kuting Jinsan, Team Pacman.